it has become customary every year that we are giving away a book called Our Daily Journey or Our Daily Bread. Sino ba dito meron ganun sa bahay? Siguro ngayon medyo late na, no? Since February na. So para tuloy-tuloy yung revival natin, magagamit natin to. Amen ba? Sa ating mga tayo magdi-devotion. And we want to keep in mind and heart to stay in track with our daily devotion. Every day dapat meron tayong daily devotion. And your journey is your journey with God using this our daily bread or our daily journal. Kaya lang hindi mo lahat dito makakatanggap nito. Pero as much as possible, lahat ng mga bisita natin and mga members ng iba't ibang churches ay makakakuha ito. So, didistribute po ngayon ang ating mga ushers, ang ating pong memorabilia for this year. And this would not be possible without the gracious help of our brethren from Dubai. Ayan, si Pastor Bernard Santiago, where are you? And Brother Arvin Aparante. And from our brethren dito sa IRBC Abu Dhabi, si Sister Joan Villegas. Thank you, Ate Joan. This ODB were bought from the Philippines and they carried them all the way here in the UAE. At ngayon, dinidisplay na sa bawat isa sa atin. And I pray na magamit natin to sa ating Christian journey. And thanks a lot, guys, for bringing this book sa bawat isa sa atin. Palakpakan po natin ating Panginoon.